Okay, let me see. So this is my all documents, and this is how I work most of the time. I just do a search for something like, oh my gosh, like satisfaction. And then it pulls up all of the, like a short bit of the article there.
No, we're in the back.
Why it's doing this right here, but you can double click and then open it. Just didn't update, and I'm wondering if it's got an issue. Over there. So now I have my library here, and then I have the actual article here, and it just highlights the keywords. So that's one way I'll like look through my library if I'm looking for articles about a specific thing, like like that satisfaction construct or something. This is kind of nice because you can sort it like that. And then this is your actual citation. So if you click on that and copy it and go over here, you can paste it in. And it comes in like that. The key is that you have to enter it correctly. So let's say for this one, sorry, when you highlight it here, usually there's a thing over here. Shoot, I'm not saying it. Yes, citations. Nope. There we go. Document details. Sorry about that. You have to make sure this information is correct because this is what it uses to build the reference or the citation. Normally, if you grab a document off of whatever library and download it, and then you do a file, add files. If it's a PDF, it will a lot of times come in with all the stuff already there. But I would always make a habit of checking it here, and that way you know it's got the correct information. And if you want to add one, you can add one. Sorry, that's a file. Add an entry manual. So let's say I want to do a book. I can put the book in and put the information in and then save it. And so even though the book isn't in here, like these aren't actually, there's nothing there for me to look at. Maybe that's a PDF. Sorry. There's a few things in here that don't exist. There's like nothing. There's no document because I just put the books in so I could cite them in my paper, and then they'd be in the references. Okay, so that's important that you get this part in correctly when you enter the documents in. If you do that as you do it, and that's your habit, then you don't have to worry that it's done incorrectly at the end. Okay, then you can also make, so everything's in your all documents, and you can also make folders of things. And this is really just a short link to a specific set of documents from your all docs. And that might be helpful. So I have a few up here for different things that I was looking at, like all the articles related to satisfaction, which is the third part of my dissertation. They're in a separate folder, so I can go through them if I need to more quickly. I don't know why it's like that, but anyway, that's that. Okay, let me show you what it looks like in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if you're going to cite, you come up here, and what I learned is you can do a citation here, and it sort of like lives in Microsoft Word. But if you do it through here, which means keeping everything organized in Mendeley, then you do your insert bibliography from here, and it pulls everything from Mendeley. It doesn't pull the sources from this. Okay, so the citations and bibliography, these are like separate from these. So you want to do one or the other. And because I don't want to put all my citations in Word, which, I mean, I suppose you could, but Mendeley gives you more options. So if you keep everything in Mendeley, and then you do insert citation from Mendeley, you can search on a keyword, or you can go to Mendeley. I typically like go, and then I click on the one I want, and then hit cite. And it puts it in like that. The other way is to do it this way and to search on a keyword, and you're like, oh yeah, it's this one, then put that in. And then you can also do multiple ones, which is kind of cool. So I could go, okay, this one, and then I'm going to do Garrison again, and I'm going to grab this one, and then let's say this one. And then they're all in there. And then your references, when you get all the way done, is this one here. And then everything comes in like that. Okay, I think that's a down and dirty 5-minute tutorial on the ins and outs of Mendeley. Basically, I made a folder on my desktop, and I would search for documents, throw them in a folder called Upload to Mendeley. Then I would upload them all at the end of my searching, because sometimes I have to keep it, like I have to keep my train of thought while I'm searching. And then once I'm done searching, I go to my Upload to Mendeley folder. I upload all of them, and then check, this part, or you might want to upload them one at a time to check this part. I don't know. But you can also do it by, I think this is like the day you added them. So you can sort by that and then go through and check them, make sure they came in correctly. Okay, I think that's it. Super excited for you. Start researching now. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.